साथियों, छत्तीसगढ़ की कांग्रेस सरकार आपको लूटने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ रही। इन्होंने तो महादेव के नाम को भी नहीं छोड़ा है। दो दिन पहले ही रायपुर में बहुत बड़ी कार्रवाई हुई है। रुपयों का बहुत बड़ा ढेर मिला है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday attacked Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel over the alleged Mahadev betting app scam and said that the Congress leader should tell what links he has with the accused in the case. Modi was addressing a public event in Durg city of pole-bound Chhattisgarh a day after the Enforcement Directorate claimed that a forensic analysis and a statement made by a cash courier have led to startling allegations that Mahadev betting app promoters paid about rupees 508 crore to Chhattisgarh CM Baghel so far. Modi also announced that his government's free ration scheme, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, for 80 crore poor will be extended for next 5 years. Accusing the Congress of abusing him and the entire OBC community, Modi said he was not scared of abuses. The Congress government in Chhattisgarh has not spared any chances to loot you. They have not even spared the name of Mahadev. Just 2 days ago, a major action was taken by the Enforcement Directorate in Raipur and a huge pile of cash was recovered. People are saying that this is the money belonging to Sattebaz, those involved in betting, and they have collected it by looting the poor and youth of Chhattisgarh. Congress leaders have been filling their houses with their same money. Modi said, in the media it is being published that the money is linked to him. The PM said, apparently referring to CM Baghel.
लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये पैसा सट्टेबाजों का है, जुए का खेल खेलने वालों का है, और जो उन्होंने छत्तीसगढ़ के गरीबों को, छत्तीसगढ़ के नौजवानों को, उनको लूट करके जमा किया हुआ है।
The Congress government and the Chief Minister should tell the people of Chhattisgarh what link they have with the accused in this scam sitting in Dubai, he said. Congress' priority is to fill its coffers by indulging in corruption, PM Modi said, alleging 30% commission in every work in the Congress government.
मीडिया में आ रहा है कि इस पैसे के तार छत्तीसगढ़ के उन तक जा रहे हैं। मालूम है ना किस तक जा रहे हैं, कहां तक पहुंच रहे हैं? छत्तीसगढ़ के लोगों को मालूम है ना कहां तक पहुंच रहे हैं? जरा जोर से बताइए कहां तक पहुंच रहे हैं?
The PM said that for him, the biggest caste in the country is the poor and said he was their sevak. He also accused political parties of hatching new conspiracies to divide the poor and spread the poison of casteism. The PM said the Congress does not want the welfare of the poor and does not want the condition to improve. Congress abused the OBC Prime Minister. Why does Congress abuse the OBC community? Why do they call Sahus thieves? He asked. Polling for the 90-member Chhattisgarh Assembly will be held in 2 phases on November 7th and 17th. The counting of votes will take place on December 3rd.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.